Okay, the chapter number one. The chapter number one is the public speaking. The public speaking is the process of designing and delivering a message to an audience. Good public speakers understand that they must plan, organize, and revise their material in order to develop an effective speech. A question: why is public speaking important? Okay, it's important because number one, explore three types of public speaking in everyday life. Number two, understand the benefit of talking occurs in public speaking. It's a good proposed. And number three, explain the benefit people get from engaging in public speaking. Well, the process of public speaking. Three process. Process number one. Identify the three components of getting your message across to others. For example, the message, the skills, and passions. A passion. Number two, distinguish between the international models of communication. It's a good point. And number three, explain the three principal discourse of the dialogical theory of public speaking. Okay. Number models. A basic model of human communication is one of the first topic that most communication teachers start with in any class. This could help the students and the kids. And number two. The physical. The physical dimension of communication involves the real or touchable environment where communication occurs. Okay, culture. The culture is when we interact with others from different cultures, misunderstanding can result from differing cultural beliefs, norms, or practice. Okay, and finally, of the chapter number one, the technology can also help public speakers reach audiences that were not possible to reach in the past. This should help humans with communication. Hi. Okay, continues. The chapter number two, ethics matters. These three examples represent ethical choice speakers and listeners face in the public speaking context. Okay, the number one of the ethics matters is the intent. Intent. According to Tiley, the first major consideration to be aware of when examining the ethicality of something in the issue of intent. And yes, the number two is means. Means. The tools or behavior we employ to achieve a desired outcome. Yes, this is number two. And the number three is literally ends. Ends are those outcomes that you desire to achieve. I don't know, achieve. Examples of the ends. Examples of ends might include persuading your audience to make a financial contribution. And yeah, this is the end. Okay. Ethics matters. As public speakers, one of the first ethical areas we should be considered with is information honesty. The second part of information honesty is to fully disclose where we obtain the information in our speeches. The third plagiarism trap that speakers fall into is reciting someone else's source within a speech. Speakers need to take a two-pronged approach when addressing any audience, caring about the audience and understanding the audience. Thank you for your attention.